Hi y'all, I'm Redheaded Neighbor. Welcome today to the channel. This is our neighborhood here on the interwebs where we sit around and listen to music together. And it's my favorite. So thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoy this type of environment and content, go ahead and hit the subscribe, like, share, all that YouTuber beggar stuff. But it does help. So thank you so much for those of you that have done it. Now, this fellow right here has been on the channel before, and I really enjoyed it. Very talented man. Bit of a tragic story, but talent-wise, oh, he is so good. So getting another request for him was very exciting to see that show up in the comments. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into this. And yeah, let's see what he's doing.
I think we need to do a blues. This guitar doesn't have the right neck on it for this, but we're going to do it anyway. See, I only have 12 frets on this guitar, but I need 14. So we're going to see if we can get away with it. But you gotta use the capo, baby. It's gotta be. Hope ain't nothing wrong with my little machine now. Oh, my starter won't start now. I hope ain't nothing wrong with my little machine, baby. Oh, but that man at the station said there's nothing wrong, boy. Oh, you just been burning bad gasoline.
Epic.
Oh, my starter won't start now. Oh, now she just won't turn. Oh, my starter won't start now. Oh, now she just won't turn, baby. Yeah, but my baby said, boy, what you crying for now? Oh, you know you got your money to burn. Oh, mama, oh, mama.
Okay, before he starts really soloing there, he's making a lot of sound. Is he using a pedal? If he is just miking that guitar and just having that much of a reverberation or whatever it's called, that is extremely impressive. I mean, or a delay or something with a pedal, I don't know, but I mean, listen to how much sound he's getting out of that little guitar.
You got your money to burn. Oh, mama, oh,
You're gonna have to do it again.
Oh, now I bought me that Cadillac, mama. Lord, when I was tired of my beat up old folks, right? I said I bought me that Cadillac, mama. Oh, when I was tired of my beat up old folks, right? Yeah, but now my Cadillac's broken down, baby. I said, oh, and I can't have none of your loving. Oh, mama. Machine, baby, baby. I said that my starter won't start now. I hope ain't nothing wrong with that little machine. Oh, mama. Ah, but you know that man at the station said there's nothing wrong, boy. I swear you just been burning bad gasoline. Yeah. Said there's nothing wrong, boys. Oh, you just been burning bad gasoline.
I love it. Because you know what made it even better? Just the way he performed that, with all the bravado and the confidence. And, you got that, dirty old Southern gasoline station, in a small town. And, it just, the whole feel of it was just so good. I loved it. And, his guitar playing is excellent. I really enjoyed that vibe that he had going. I'm pretty sure he was using a pedal of some sort, but that's cool. I like that. But there was a lot happening for just one person up on the stage, bravo. So this was an excellent suggestion, and I very much appreciate it. So thank you.